Okay, let's dive into this. What happens when your ultimate mental escape actually becomes an involuntary prison?
Imagine losing hours to fake scenarios. Your basic needs, totally forgotten. It's a really intense feeling.
Real conversations just fade into background noise, you know? Your actual life is put completely on pause.
This isn't just normal distraction. Regular, everyday lives are literally being rewritten by these fantasies. We call this maladaptive daydreaming. It's a compulsive, incredibly deep fantasy state that seriously disrupts daily life. Evidence points to specific triggers, usually music or strong emotions. It creates a wild, addictive dopamine loop.
To measure this, researchers use a specific scale. Hitting a score of 50 is a reliable baseline.
Why does this happen? Well, researchers strongly link childhood trauma to creating these inner mental safe havens. But it's still an unofficial diagnosis. It often gets confused with ADHD or OCD because symptoms overlap. So the crucial point is this: it's not psychosis. In reality, it's a profound coping mechanism. And it's definitely not a hallucination. Sufferers are totally conscious that the fantasy isn't actually real. But the real-world consequences? Brutal. Excessive daydreaming starves real relationships, leaving people feeling incredibly lonely. You might even see physical signs, like pacing, rocking, or whispering dialogue while lost in these worlds. Naturally, school and work suffer big time. That fractured attention totally destroys your efficiency and reliability. Let's move to and see how this builds into solutions. Here are 3 practical steps to regain control. First up, mindfulness. Try the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding method to immediately snap right out of an oncoming episode. Second, set firm boundaries. Allow maybe 20 minutes of fantasy, but only after finishing essential daily tasks. Third, track your triggers. Journaling helps pinpoint what sparks it, like specific songs or emotional fatigue. The goal isn't to kill your creativity. We want to transform an involuntary habit into a healthy strength. So, I'll leave you with this final provocative question. Who is really in control of your imagination?